Hello guys, Glenn here. Welcome back to the vlogs. And for this video, nag-compile ako ng mga hotels or resorts na pinagstayan ko during my most recent trip in Boracay. And hopefully makatulong siya sa inyo sa mga nagpa-plan na mag-visit or sa mga nagwo-wonder kung saan sila pwede mag-stay. So ayan, I made this video for you guys. So personally, ang dami ko na talagang napagstayan ng mga hotels and resorts sa island guys. As in, no joke, parang ayan, tingnan nyo na lang yung mga pictures ko na nirepost ng mga hotel na yun. And lately, nare-realize ko na parang mas okay din na mag-budget na lang sa accommodation. So, I can spend further or more sa ibang aspects like sa food, ganyan, or sa coffee. Yun kasi yung mga preference ko lately. Pero, nasa sa inyo pa rin naman. So for my most updated recommendations sa mga hotels, very budget friendly sila mostly, and naglagay lang ako ng two extra recommendations para sa gusto ng mga medyo mas social na vibe or sa mga gusto lang talaga magwaldas. Charot! Enjoy guys! So guys, pinag-check-in na nila ako sa wakas at around 1:30 PM. 30 minutes earlier than yung medyo strict sila sa check-in time. Talagang gusto nila 2 PM. Medyo nakiusap lang ako na kung kaya earlier. And pinagbigyan naman nila ako. So, kudos to the front desk staff. Ayun, si Vanessa. Thank you so much. And papakita ko na sa inyo yung room. Maliit lang yung room and sakto lang for quick vacation here in Boracay. So ayan guys, there's enough space. Kung malaki yung luggage nyo, ma-open nyo siya fully and makakalakad pa rin kayo sa room. Ayun, yung bed is parang queen size bed lang. May dalawang bath towels, may TV, and meron itong parang humidifier. Ang bango ng room as in. And then, ang nakakatuwa sa kanya, naka-separate yung toilet sa shower. So, kung may gusto mag-CR and then gusto maligo, you can do it simultaneously kasi magkaiba naman yung room. I mean yung doors. May maliit na sink dito na ayan, you can wash your hands or pwede maghilamos, mag-toothbrush dyan. And ayan yung toiletries nila guys. Ayun, meron ding maliit na dresser. Ayan. May space for clothes, may hangers. So ayun guys, napansin ko walang hair dryer and I had to ask sa front desk and nag-provide naman sila agad. So pag walang hair dryer sa room nyo, kung dito kayo magstay, you can just ask them and magbibigay naman sila agad. And by the way, sobrang lapit lang nung Seabird Resort dito sa beach. Parang 2-minute walk lang siya or 1 minute actually. So guys, I am back in Boracay. Sobrang na-miss ko rin tong island. October pa yung last visit ko here. So ayan. Parang medyo marami ng changes kahit ilang months lang yung nagdaan. And by the way, medyo na-surprise ako sa presentation ng breakfast nila, in fairness. And masarap siya, even yung vegetable salad nila. I highly recommend na magstay kayo dito sa Seabird. So far, I'm having a good experience naman. And worth it yung binayad ko sa room rate for me ha. So ayan guys, I told you, meron silang mga beach mat. So ayan, libre lang. So guys, quick room tour lang tayo dito sa budget hotel na nabook ko for my last night here in Boracay. Medyo maingay ang aircon. Ayan, maliit lang yung room as in, pero ayan, may coffee and tea. Coffee lang pala. And may TV naman. And here's the bathroom. It's really basic lang. Ayan guys. So guys, I got this for around 1,500 pesos lang per night. And wala siyang breakfast, pero pwede na kasi marami namang options pagbaba nyo. Katapat niya lang yung Station X sa U-Hotel. And walking distance na rin yung beach, around 4 to 5 minute walk siguro. Bali yung labas niya is yung bandang La Carmela Resort na part doon. Doon siya. And ayun, I think okay naman tong Aboza Resort. Maayos naman yung aircon nila and meron silang hot shower. So, for budget travelers, good option na siya. You can try it here and good yung location niya. Guys, ayan yung Aboza Resort and perfect kasi may 7-Eleven sa mismong ibaba ng building. So, ayan, kung may kailangan kayo sa convenience store, perfect siya. And katapat niya lang is itong Station X or U-Hotel. Ayan. And nandyan din yung mga kainan. Like yung kinainan ko kanina, yung Noni's. Diyan lang sa Philippines. And meron ding masarap na restaurant inside yung hotel. It's called Laun. Hello guys, quick update lang. Nakapag-check out na ako sa Seabird Resort and nakabalik na ako dito sa isa sa mga go-to hotels ko in Boracay. It's called Julius Resort Boracay or Julius Italian Resort, sorry. And ayun, super friendly ng owner, super friendly ng staff, especially si Jessa, na favorite kong kachikahan. Hello Jessa, shout out sa'yo. So ayun, kapag magbo-Boracay kayo guys, I highly recommend na magstay kayo dito. Especially yung mga nagre-remote work kasi reliable yung internet connection nila. It's one reason din kung bakit bumabalik-balik ako dito. Lalo na kapag meron akong dala na work. And ayun, super lapit lang din sa beach and very affordable ng rates. And I will give you guys a quick room tour. Let's go! So, ayan guys, quick room tour tayo here sa Julius Resort. Ayan. Ang nabook ko na room is deluxe and sobrang mura ko lang nito nakuha as in. Ayan, ifa-flash ko sa screen para makita nyo kung magkano. And meron siyang kasama na balcony. Sorry, medyo hinihingal pa ako. Ayan. And yung bathroom, as usual, very spacious guys. Ayan. Ang laki ng faucet area and yung shower area, carry naman. And ito yung pa-welcome drink nila na juice. And ayan, merong coffee and tea amenities. May free bottled water. And of course, ang super kailangan ko sa buhay, ang hair dryer. Meron ding small TV guys and merong fridge. Ayan.
afternoon. And then meron tayong complimentary breakfast po sir. Starting po siya tomorrow from 6:30 a.m. until 10 a.m. sir. You can avail po yan sir sa Parasol Restaurant po natin. Bali, dito po siya located sir, malapit po sa Front Beach. And sabihin nyo lang po sir yung room number.